Ooh, fabulous! You look absolutely gorgeous!
You really think so, sweetie?
Mom, can I apply makeup? This is attracting me. Kitten, no. You are too pretty without makeup. You are my little pretty baby.
Oh, marvelous. Simply marvelous. This look is stunning.
Mom, I also want to go with you today. And I have my princess dress and shoes.
No, Kitten. You better stay at home. I have a shoot on a cruise today.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Kitten. Take care of you. And Mommy will be back soon. Bye-bye, Mommy. Have a best day and best shoot.
Hey.
Oh, wait! Today is Mom's birthday! Let's get ready and surprise Mommy at Cruise! I will get ready and buy a perfect gift for Mom! Oh yes, that's the magic touch. Who's the cutest kitten in the world? Me! Mommy's shoes, let's try it! I guess these are not for me. I should wear my own shoe. Which shoes I should wear today? Red, blue, green, black, white. Now let's go. Let's buy the best birthday present for my mommy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Help me find Mommy and her gift. We're burning up the road in a flash of purple light, singing my song with all my might. This feeling is electric. Windows down, wind in my fur, singing loud, yeah. Cruising through the city, having the best day ever. Got my Jeep, got the sun, heading out for major fun. Yeah, we're cruising down the street. Okay, everyone, I am so ready for this shoot. Let's make some magic! much!
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Oh, wow, thank you so much. I love it.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
It's Mommy's birthday! It's Mommy's birthday! I can't wait to give her this present! We're having a party, hooray! It's the best day. I've got the perfect present, let's celebrate.
Perfect, hold that pose right there. Wow, you look incredible. Perfect shot. Stunning.
You look incredible, honey.
Beautiful, hold that right there. Perfect shot, absolutely perfect.
I should go inside the cruise. Mom will be there. Life is a wave, so ride it high beneath this bright blue sparkling sky. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. I brought you a present.
Oh, this is just magnificent. The sea, the sky, the warmth of the sun. Nature is truly putting on a show today.
Mommy? Where are you? Mom? I found you!
Kitten, you here? Why did you came here? Everyone will be angry. Oh my God! Everyone is liking you. You are my pretty little baby.
Happiest birthday, Mom!
This is your gift of being best mom.
Happy birthday, Mom!
Oh my gosh, a purple iPhone. Thank you so much.
Mom, this is your another gift. You are the best, Mom!
Happy birthday, sweetie! Let's cut the cake! Yay, cake!
Happy birthday to you. This is the moment we've been waiting for, a day to celebrate and dance some more.
Happy birthday, sweetie! Are you having a good time? Yes, this is the best party ever! I love my hat and the cupcakes!
We are so proud of the kindness and strength you've shown this year, sweetie. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Mommy!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mom! You're the best mom in the whole world, and I love you so much!
Thank you, sweetie. I love you too.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Mommy!
Oh, thank you, my little star. This is the best gift ever. Happy birthday, Princess. I made this card just for you.
Oh, what a wonderful surprise.
Thank you, sweetie. I love you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am waiting for your comment.